Sitting in a Walmart parking lot, license and reg, meow. License and reg, meow. Anybody get that? Let's talk about shit paper. I hate shit paper. I hate taking a shit. Meow. Why? It's probably the dirtiest fucking process you gotta do through your whole fucking life. It sucks. I hate taking a shit. You get that shit paper. Fucking rip poke. Fuck, my asshole! Shit on my fucking finger now. What? Now what do you do now? Yeah. You ever go to one of these freaking bathrooms? Like, Stewart's. Fucking shit paper roll holder is like a foot off the fucking floor. Way the fuck down on the floor. Who the fuck puts a shit paper roll holder all the way down on the goddamn floor? It doesn't make any fucking sense at all to me. And then the fucking shit paper they put in there. They purposely put it in there and make it so you can only get one square at a time. Now, I'm a firm believer in using minimal shit paper, but I cannot wipe my ass with one square. Can you? I know I can't. How about you, buddy? Can you wipe your ass with one square? He said fucking no. It's bullshit. He said you should be able to get at least 3 or 4 squares to wipe your ass. So if you can't do it with that, you're screwed. So my theory is, when you go to these goddamn bathrooms, you gotta bring your own shit paper. And it's gotta be something that you can fucking wipe your ass with. Because if it ain't no good, it ain't worth wiping your ass. You might as well walk around and fucking scratch your ass all fucking day. Because using your freaking 2-ply, 1-ply shit paper, it ain't worth it. I'm telling you right now. It's a bad deal. I don't know what this world's coming to, but shit paper is a problem.